Hey guys, and welcome to PJ's Coin Capers. So, a lot of us, as we're noodling through coins, we come across a lot of New Zealand coins. So, a lot of 20 cent, 10 cent, and 5 cent coins. Now, luckily, all those coins you can easily just feed back into circulation because there's no point in keeping them because they're no value in New Zealand. You can't even spend them in New Zealand. So, we've wound up in Australia with plenty of 5, 10 and 20 cent old New Zealand coins. Now, this particular coin which we have in front of us is the 5 cent coin, and it is the 1999 5 cent coin. Now, this particular coin has two errors on it. One of the errors I've found before, but this one has two errors on it. So we'll take a look at the reverse side first, and you'll see at the bottom of the 5 there are some cuds. So I'll zoom in a bit closer on that there. Not much, but you can certainly see the cuds that are going on the bottom of that 5 there. There's fairly big cuds, so you can see right along the bottom of the 5 there, nice big long cud there, and another little cud off to the right of that. Now, I don't really tend to focus too much on this particular coin. I don't really look at it that much, but that really stood out to me. And the other thing that really stood out to me on this coin is the fact that it's rotated. Okay, so typically you would sort of hold that coin like that, and you can see the rotation that's going on this one. So I've found, certainly with the 1999 5 cent coin, I've found rotation errors on this particular coin, and I have sold them, but I've never found the double error such as what's going on this coin. So I know from my past sales, when I have found these, I've been able to sell them for around $20 each with this kind of rotation, but this is certainly heading towards the 10 o'clock rotation on this one. So I've sort of found them more at around 11 o'clock, but this one is certainly closer to 10 o'clock. So well worth keeping an eye out. I know they probably get a little bit annoying finding these coins in circulation, but if you do happen to come across a 5 cent coin from New Zealand, and certainly it's a 1999, it's well worth quickly having a spin of it and checking to see if it's rotated or not. Alright guys, that's all for today. I just wanted to show you my latest error coin find, and I look forward to bringing more videos to you soon. Alright guys, thanks for watching.